it's a girl Rosh Wavy, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys a quick and easy style to do on your hair, on your 4C type hair. And basically I think you can try this style on any hair type. Really, it's really easy to do. I started pulling out my hair and like, girl, these curls be popping. So the night before, which was last night, I had washed my hair and put it in these braids, and I had oiled and moisturized my hair. So now I'm just gonna continue to remove these braids to take them down. I'm just loving how these braid outs are coming out. Like, it look really nice. Like, basically the hairstyle done. Guys, this is what my hair looks like right now after pulling out the braids, and honestly I'm like, this looks really good. Like, I should just leave this because look at the definition though. Look at the definition of my hair, of these curls. Let me just, oh, why to zoom in? Look at this definition. Like, yeah. And guys, bear with me if you guys see me looking a different way because I have a mirror in front of me and I'm also using my back camera. So I hope y'all are seeing this good because I'm not gonna do this over. So my hair has oil left in it still. Like, you can see it on my hands, and I think it's really oily. I probably used way too much oil. I used like 3 different oils last night, but that's okay. For this hairstyle, I'm going to be using my Extreme Wetline Gel, which is this one, and it's the blue one. I think they have it in green, blue, and white. I've only ever tried this one, and thus far it has been doing wonders for my hair. So I'm gonna do one section of my hair. I'm gonna put this into like a ponytail. There's a little part of the back of my head that's slightly wet, like 80-90% wet, and I think that's when I was showering it got wet, but that's okay. Okay, so now that I have left this section out, I'm basically just gonna take the wetline gel and start putting it on my hair, raking it through my hair, starting from the ends, the middle to the ends. So I'm not gonna do the entire hair. I just want some form of definition at the end. Just a tad bit. So I'm not gonna do it all the way through, just a little bit. And you guys can work in bigger sections if your heart so desire. But for me, I'm working in smaller sections because I know how my hair is. And I'm gonna finger coil some of them, like this little part right here. Just finger coiling. And I'm not really finger coiling like all the way up. I'm just doing a little swooply whoop. You know what I mean? Yeah. Why is it looking white? It's not supposed to really look white, guys, because I think I put too much product in my hair last night, which is why mine is basically turning out like that, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna continue the process over to the next side. And guys, I'm not really what can I say, I don't want it to be too, like, you can make it define what I want to have, like a messy kind of look. So it's fine if it's not like entirely defined as how you would like it. That's entirely fine. So this is basically the breakdown of what I'm going to be doing. So when I reach to the top part of my hair, I'll come back with you guys. So I think I'm gonna start doing this side with this gel. That's my Eco Styler gel. This is the pink one. I'm gonna see if it gives me more curls and definition. It's so hard to open though. So let me go ahead and try it. And also guys, you can add water if needed, but because I'm going out literally right now, I don't want to use water on it, but you guys definitely can. So this is basically like a lazy wash and go, if you want to call it that. Like I said guys, you don't need to be perfect with it. Well, if you want, you can be perfect with it. I don't want to be perfect with it, so I'm not even going to really like do it like that. And that's that for this video, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this one, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and like, share and comment. See you next time.